Now, slowly open the door. I still hear it on. Okay, I think cut off.
Yeah, I cut off. It's
Now
off.
look at those fries.
Yeah, that's why you like your fries.
You got it. Oh, get them in the
That's
camera.
why you love your fries.
Oh, look
honey.
at that. Okay, we're going to test these fries out of that new oven. And I forget what the name of it is. Something gourmet. Like a crunchy one. Yeah, the Gourmia. Some of my fries are burnt. I don't care. I love. And I didn't salt them. There's no grease. Put them in that basket. But I'm gonna have some ketchup though. Let me taste one fry without ketchup. That is so good. No grease. I have just a little ketchup. Those fries are very good without any grease. There's no salt. Didn't salt them. Those some good looking fries. Some of them gonna be burnt. New Gourmia fry. It's a French door digital air fryer oven. So we unboxed it, we tested it, and it's good.